20 Gym Workout for Chest. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Here are 20 gym workouts for the chest muscles. 1. Barbell Bench Press. Lie on a flat bench, grip the barbell with an overhand grip, and lower it to your chest before pushing it back up. 2. Dumbbell Bench Press. Similar to the barbell bench press, but using dumbbells instead. This allows for greater range of motion. 3. Incline Bench Press. Set the bench to an inclined angle, around 45 degrees, and perform bench presses. This targets the upper chest. 4. Decline Bench Press. Set the bench to a declined angle, around 30 degrees, and perform bench presses. This targets the lower chest. 5. Push-ups. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart and perform push-ups. You can vary the hand position to target different areas of the chest. 6. Dumbbell Flies. Lie on a flat bench with a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing each other. Extend your arms out to the sides, then bring them back up in a hugging motion. 7. Cable Flies. Stand in the middle of a cable machine, hold the handles, and bring your hands together in front of your chest. 8. Dips. Use parallel bars or a dip station and lower your body until your shoulders are below your elbows, then push back up. 9. Chest Press Machine. Sit on a chest press machine and push the handles forward while keeping your back against the pad. 10. Cable Crossovers. Stand in the middle of a cable machine, one foot in front of the other, and pull the cables across your body. 11. Medicine Ball Push-Ups. Perform push-ups with your hands on medicine balls, which increases instability and engages more muscles. 12. Smith Machine Bench Press. Use a Smith machine to perform bench presses with a fixed barbell. 13. Incline Dumbbell Press. Set the bench to an inclined angle and perform dumbbell presses to target the upper chest. 14. Decline Dumbbell Press. Set the bench to a declined angle and perform dumbbell presses to target the lower chest. 15. Plyometric Push-Ups. Perform explosive push-ups, pushing your body off the ground and clapping your hands before landing again. 16. One-Arm Dumbbell Bench Press. Lie on a flat bench, hold a dumbbell in one hand, and perform bench presses one arm at a time. 17. Wide Grip Push-Ups. Place your hands wider than shoulder width apart during push-ups to target the outer chest muscles. 18. Close Grip Bench Press. Position your hands closer together than shoulder width apart during the bench press to target the triceps and inner chest. 19. Floor Press. Lie on the floor and perform bench presses, focusing on the bottom range of motion. 20. Machine Chest Flies. Use a chest fly machine to perform flies and isolate the chest muscles. Remember to warm up properly before starting any workout and consult with a fitness professional to ensure proper form and technique for each exercise. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.